so close! These pucks go fast.
Just watch the puck all the way into the stick.
Oh, I did it!
Too bad you and Peaches are moving away. If you stayed, we could do this all the time.
Okay, show me the heat. I'm like a hacky ninja. Hey, Peaches! Looks like you've got a new hockey partner to replace your dad. Oh!
Ow! Oh, no.
Julian!
Such a mystery why he wants to move far away.
I didn't mean to do it. It's not my fault the kid has no reflexes.
How could you do that to him? I thought you liked Julian.
I do like Julian.
Well, you don't act like it. When you look at him, all you see is an obstacle, or worse, a target. But I see a sweet guy who's trying his hardest to impress you.
Peaches.
No, both of you just stop. If we survive, I'm still getting married and I'm still leaving home, whether you're happy for me or not.
Don't give me that look. She said both. That means you too.
And this widow asteroid went wee all the way home. Because Daddy and his friends saved the world.